I absolutely loved Bombay Beach, California, and will definitely be back. It was hard to leave. But I am committed to being part of the Nomad Village at the TinyFest California in San Diego 2023. So I am on my way. At our pace, it's about a 2.5 to 3 hour drive to San Diego. And there are storms and rain in the weather forecast, so let's see how long it really will take us. We made it to San Diego in the pouring rain. This is actually the next morning. So today will be first day of the TinyFest in San Diego. And last night when I arrived, it was pouring down rain. There was water everywhere. Part of the lot where we were all parked was flooded, so I didn't get into the spot yet that I'm supposed to be in. I don't know yet where it is, but we'll all work it out this morning before the gates open. And then my door, my number key, it wouldn't work anymore. I don't know why. It wasn't the battery, and I plugged in the right number. It would not unlock, so I had to break into my wagon. I had to unscrew the window to open the door. Oh my god, now I know how to break into my wagon, I guess. I should have filmed that because it was like quite, something else. Wow. But now I'm all ready for people to arrive so I can show them Misty. Ralphie has to stay in the car though. I am also selling my mandala dot art here at the TinyFest. Time to take a tour. This year, my focus is on the Nomad Village and the community that makes the Nomad Village. Check it out. Those are my neighbors. Their van is for sale. So, what you got?
You want to do a tour?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. Oh, hey. Gustavo here. This is a 159 wheelbase Ram ProMaster. I built this during the pandemic, and I love to travel, and I'm really busy, so I built this rig for that. Come on inside.
Another COVID art project.
So it pretty much has everything you need. Has some storage space up top. We actually slept in this here last night at the Van Life Fest. We got the fridge here, Dometic fridge, 75 liters. It's pretty huge, both fridge and freezer. When for cooking, we use induction cooktop. This just plugs into the outlets right here. And you can't see the solar panel up top, but in terms of the electrical system, we have solar panels up top. We have alternator charger that runs that charges the battery system when the engine's running. We also got a water heater, so this will make sure water's warm. That heats up the faucet up here, the water from the faucet. The cool thing about this is that there's actually a shower here. We have a shower pan with a drain.
Oh my.
And so you can use a shower head to take a shower.
And that's why the hooks are there.
Yep. That's you can pull up the shower curtain. But the coolest thing I like about this, actually there's two other cool things I like about it. We have a toilet, but also we got this pull-out desk. So I love this because I'm always on the go, and I love to I'm able to work on my laptop here on this desk, and it's pretty sturdy. It's like industrial grade ball bearing, so pretty sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And the last thing here I really love is the skylight. It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to see, but that's cool for like stargazing and doing all that stuff.
From the bed, wow.
And the bed's like full size, so it's cool. Enough for like 2 people.
Cool.
For
How can people reach you?
Oh, at Real Gustavo Mena. I am listing this at 95,000, but really just trying to find a home for this because I'm moving to Miami. So reach out if you're interested.
Good luck.
Thank you.
What you got here?
I got my tumbled stones, my wire wrapped stones, and my California tourmaline, fluorite, and rubies, and a bunch of other great deals on great specimens from Arizona.
Nice.
All over the world.
You have Instagram?
Love and Stone Creations on Instagram. We're on Love and Stone on Facebook and Love and Stone Creations on YouTube. And loveandstonecreations.com is where you can find the silver wrap stuff and the nice tumbled stones.
Cool.
All the tiny house festivals we go to get one of our top favorites. And again, we are sponsored by Anchor, which is over here now. And this is their portable machine up here that's running this whole entire thing. So we tested it out once, and it looks like we can do about, I think it lasts maybe like 70 hours of playing music at least, I think. So it's pretty wild. I think it's more than that actually. But anyway, thanks for being here, everybody.
Hey, how you doing? Good. You're leaving today? I did have to explore the area around the Mart Fairgrounds a little bit, and I came across this designer district called Cedro Avenue, which I really loved. It was so pretty there. I am a designer at heart, so this was like heaven for me. Especially after spending several months out in the nowhere in the desert. It's like, wow, it's so clean here, so beautiful, and everything smells so good. Beautiful neighborhood. And we are on the way to the beach. Ralphie really needs a good run after sitting in the car all day today, and he has no idea what a treat he's gonna be in for. He is so happy right now. What a feeling it is to be at the ocean after several months in the desert. Oh my God. Come on. He made quite a few friends too. This beach is a doodle heaven. We sure worked up quite an appetite. We were so ready for the potluck at the Nomad Village after the gates closed. Yeah. And a little surprise, 3D glasses that turn every light into a heart shape. Bye. The next morning, I moved out into one of the RV spots. So the TinyFest is officially over. I decided to stay another day because with all the rain and all the black stuff that was coming down, my floors were black, my rugs were black, everything was messy. So I wanted to clean and get comfortable, wash some laundry, take a nice long shower, and then head out on. So, but let me show you what the fairgrounds look like now. It's great in here. Sun is out. I'm gonna let those dry in the sun, I think. Hey, Ralphie and I took a shower. Finally, he smells so good. Hey, let me rubble you down. Our daily fight. Let me rubble you. No, let me dry you off. Let me dry you off. You silly. Hey. We're not playing. I gotta dry you off. Come on, your tail. My tail. Yeah. Try and brush them. Yummy. Yummy. Let me brush your tail. Don't eat the brush. No, don't eat the brush. Yeah, so pretty. It's so pretty. Yes. Yeah. Mighty tail. Mighty tail. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to do a haircut on you. Oh. Look. Okay, we're done. Signs of spring. Another visit at beautiful Sonora Beach. Look at this. Baby. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you enjoy the videos, please subscribe and stay tuned for more. We are headed towards Borrego Springs next.